guys, welcome back to Betrayal of the Body. Nikita here, and today I wanted to talk about something really difficult that I went through. I'm going to talk about a late-term miscarriage. Okay, so there's been a lot of talk about abortion given the new law that passed in New York that allows people to have a late-term abortion. Now, what I don't think a lot of people understand is that the law specifically states that after 24 weeks, the only time an abortion is permitted is when the baby is dead, the baby is certain to die, or the mother's life is at risk. Now, I understand why a lot of people have difficulty accepting abortions at this stage of the pregnancy because a lot of these babies are viable at that point. And I do agree that if the baby can be saved in the 30th weeks, reaching 40 weeks, yeah, if you can save the baby, save the baby. But I just want to talk about my experience to give you guys a little bit of perspective. When I was 21 years old, I got pregnant with my fourth child. So, and we won't talk about how young I was, whatever. You guys can have your opinions about that. This is just simply my experience with a late-term miscarriage. At 21 weeks, I went to my doctor to find out the sex of my baby, ultrasound. And I was excited to finally see my baby's face. I was excited to find out if it was a boy or a girl. And I get there, and that's not exactly what happened. Within seconds of the ultrasound tech putting the ultrasound wand to my stomach, she quickly removed it, her face went cold, and she walked out of the room without saying a word to me. I knew something was wrong. The doctor comes in and explains to me that my baby was dead and did not have a heartbeat. He then sent me home and told me that my body would eventually spontaneous abortion, which is the technical term for a miscarriage, that my body would kick the baby out on its own once it realized that the baby was gone. This did not happen right away. I continued to be pregnant with a dead baby for over a month. This almost killed me in two different ways. I got sepsis, and then when I did finally pass the baby at home, I lost so much blood, I needed 6 pints of blood to stabilize me. Now those are just the raw facts. I haven't even talked about how emotionally difficult it was to remain pregnant with a dead baby. Being visibly pregnant with a dead baby. Because this was my fourth child, I showed much quicker than you would with your first child. Your body knows what to do at this point, and it starts getting things in order right away. So I looked like I was about 7 or 8 months pregnant. And people were constantly asking me my due date, asking me if it was a boy or a girl, asking me if I picked out any names. And I had to repeatedly, over and over for a month, tell everyone that I was pregnant with a dead baby.
You want to cut?
No one should ever go through that. No one should ever be forced to go through that. Now, I'm not talking about elective abortions, because that's not what the law is talking about either. I'm talking about medically necessary abortions. And you know, honestly, it never even occurred to me why my doctor was so insistent on letting my body pass the baby naturally. But now I wonder if it was because of some stupid law that was in place over I was past a certain point and he would be legally in trouble for removing the dead baby from my body. But now I wonder. So please just consider all aspects of this before you pass judgment. Well, thanks for watching. I really truly hope I didn't offend anyone with this. That's not my intention. I hope I didn't upset anyone by discussing such a difficult topic. Trust me, it's difficult for me to talk about too. But I felt like it needed to be said. I felt like I needed to share what I went through for people to understand what we're really talking about here. But thank you for watching. I hope to see you next time.